The next 2 days are a lot shorter than this one. This one's kind of a beast. All right, last one. A school, you have to state the claim, the H sub O, the H sub A, and then decide if it's a left, right, or two-tailed test. So I'm going to do A and B with you, and then you're going to do C. All right. Excuse me. H sub O, H sub A. A school publicizes that the proportion of its students who are involved in at least one extracurricular activity is 61%. Now this one is confusing because it says at least, which makes you think, oh, that's greater than or equal to, but they're not asking how many extracurricular activities they're in. They're asking kids, are you in at least one? And if they say yes, then it's a yes, and if they say no, it's a no. So the real word here is. It is 61%. This is a proportion, so I'm using the letter P. The proportion is 61%. Opposite of that is the proportion isn't 61%. Equals to is H sub O because it has an equals to. Not equals to, it has to be H sub A. This is their claim right here. This time the null is the claim. And this is, if we look at our 3 kinds of tests, this is a two-tailed test because anything with an equals to and a not equals to is a two-tailed test. So this is a two-tailed test. For B, it says a car dealership announces that the mean time for an oil change is less than 15 minutes. Okay. So the mean, that's a mu, is less than 15. Less than goes down here because alternative hypotheses don't have an equals to in them. I'm not going to write 0.15 because it's 15 minutes. This is the claim right here. And to prove them wrong, it would be greater than or equal to 15. Because they said less than 15, so 15 doesn't count. It has to be less than 15. Remember, the alternative is the thing that tells you the direction of the tail. Less than or equal to, if you look at this sheet, you see that the one that matches this with greater than or equal to or less than is a left-tailed test. All right, your turn. You're going to try C. C is a company advertises that the mean life of its furnaces is more than 18 years. So go ahead and pause the video and give it a shot. I'm going to move on. Hopefully you've paused. It's talking about a mean, so it says that the mean life is more than 18 years. That means that the claim is here. They're saying more than 18. Opposite of that is less than or equal to 18. The alternative tells you where the tail is. And this is a right-tailed test. Greater than is a right-tailed test. If you look at the previous page, you'll see that this less than or equal to and greater than matches a right-tailed test. Homework's down here. This is due tomorrow. It should go pretty fast for you. The type 1 and type 2 errors take a little bit of writing, but everything else should go just as fast as this one did. Okay, good luck.